As per reports, Sasikala suffered a breathing problem inside the central prison, after which doctors were rushed to the prison to address the issue. Nearly a week before her release, ex-aiadmk leader Sasikala has taken ill inside Bengaluru's Parappan Agrahara prison, sources informed on Wednesday. As per reports, Sasikala suffered a breathing problem inside the central prison, after which doctors were rushed to the prison to address the issue. More details are yet to be ascertained. Now she has taken to private hospital in Bengaluru for emergency treatment. Sasikala has been lodged in jail since February 2017, when the Supreme Court upheld her conviction by a special court in Bengaluru in a disproportionate assets case and sentenced her to 4 years imprisonment. She has also been probed for her alleged involvement in former Tamil Nadu CM Jayalalitha's death, with the Aramugasamy Commission requesting the Home Secretary's permission to record her statement.